Creating a report in Airtable is simple and involves using its powerful views and filtering options to visualize your data. Here's how you can create a report in Airtable. Open your base, log into your Airtable account and open the base containing the data you want to report on. Choose a table. Navigate to the table where your data is stored. Reports are typically based on the data in these tables. Create a new view. To create a report, click on the View dropdown at the top left of your table. Select a view type based on how you want to present the data. Grid View displays data in rows and columns like a spreadsheet. Gallery View, visual representation of records as cards. Kanban View, organize records into columns based on a field's values. Calendar View, display records based on date fields. Form View, for creating a service-style report collection. Apply filters and sorting. Use the filter option to narrow down the data you want to include in your report. Sort the records to organize them in a meaningful way. Customize and share. Customize the view as needed, then share the link or export the data into a CSV file for external reporting.